I need your help.
Need my help? Bakit? Ano na naman ang ginawa mo, Angelina?
Can you put this on my pet?
Put that on your pet?
Yeah.
Meron kang bagong alaga? Bakit hindi ko naman alam yan? Siguro susurpresahin ka ng mami mo, ano? Ay, gandang pet siguro niyan, no?
Yeah.
O sige, lagay ko na siguro.
Yeah, wait. Yeah. I want to thank you.
Thank me?
Yeah.
Hindi ko pa nga nalagay ito sa pet mo, nagte-thank you ka kagad. Ikaw talagang bata ka.
No. Yeah, I want to thank you for everything.
For everything?
For always being nice to me, Yaya.
You're so sweet talaga, baby. Nakakatuwa ka. O sige, okay lang yun. Wala yun. Ito naman, liit na bagay lang ito. Parang...
Ay. Wait.
Bakit?
I have something for you. You wait, Yaya. Okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Yaya, I know you really like this.
Ano yan?
It's your favorite.
Pakakat.
Yaya. Come on, Yaya.
It's my favorite, baby. Ay, talaga naman. Bait-bait itong batang ito. Ang sarap.
Is it good, Yaya?
Ang sarap nito. Kaya ang sobrang dami naman ito. Para akong bitayin ito.
It's a winner.
Oo nga, it's not a winner, baby.
Yaya, what kind of food do you like? Nara or kamagong?
Me? I like siguro kamagong mas matibay. Dapat mo tinatanong yan, baby, ha?
Well, just in case you need kabaho.
What?
Just in case you need kabaho. Never mind, guys. Never mind.
Hindi ko maubos to. Mamaya na. Bait-bait mo talaga, baby. Thank you, ha? Kalagay ko na to sa pet mo, ha? Okay, ganda.
Yeah. I love you. Good luck.
Okay. Angelina! Bakit ba tigre ka dun sa kwarto mo?
Yaya, that's my new pet.
New pet?
Yeah.
Laki-laking tigre nun? Ano ka sa tungkulang sa leeg nun?
Yaya, you're such a loser. That's not a collar. That's a bracelet. Can you put it na there?